Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here. I'm out in Vancouver, Granville Island, and today we'll do a bird review, I guess. So here we've got a pigeon. It's kind of fat looking. I like the colors. I'll give a pigeon like a I'll give this pigeon specifically a 6 out of 10. There was a seagull right there. It's gone now. There's usually a lot of them, so let's try and spot another seagull. There's one. The seagull's vibing pretty nicely. I like the symmetry of its body. It's kind of got like a square appearance. I'll give this seagull a 8.5 out of 10. He's looking pretty square. Good symmetry. I like the head shape too. Reminds me a lot of a dinosaur, like Dinosaurus, I guess. And look at those knobs in the legs. Beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed my very quick bird review. They're everywhere. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.